Here we're going to look at dividing complex numbers. The question reads Z1 divided by Z2 in the form, find Z1 divided by Z2 in the form A plus BI, where A and B are real numbers. So what we need to do is we need to first of all get rid of the fraction. So here there's no fraction involved and our answer should not be a fraction. So we need to start off by getting rid of those fractions. And the way that we do that is we multiply by something called the complex conjugate. Multiply by the conjugate. Okay, and it's a very confusing word, but all it means is that we're going to multiply of the denominator. So the bit at the bottom. Okay, so all that means is we're going to multiply top and bottom by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so the conjugate of the denominator just means that the sign in the middle changes to the opposite. So here it's a minus, so it's going to change to a plus. Okay, and whatever we do to the bottom we must do to the top because we don't want to change the value of the fraction. Okay, so that's our first step, and then we're going to multiply out these brackets and hopefully remove some of them. Okay, we get rid of these using the same sort of idea as we use in algebra. We split the brackets, first term by the second bracket, second term by the second bracket, and go from there. Okay, so split the first bracket and then multiply each term by the second bracket. This can be repeated on top and bottom. Split the first bracket, should be a minus, sorry, and multiply by the second bracket. Okay, at this point we're going to multiply it all out. So minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12, minus 3 plus 6i is minus 18i, plus 2i minus 4 is minus 8i, and plus 2i multiplied by plus 6i is plus 12i squared. Okay, we are going to multiply at the bottom. So minus 4 by minus 4 is plus 16, minus 4 multiplied by plus 6i is minus 24i, minus 6i by minus 4 is plus 24i, and minus 6i multiplied by plus 6i is minus 36i squared. Okay, we're going to tidy it up a little bit, adding our I terms together and reminding ourselves from the first part of the question it said that I squared equals minus 1. Okay, and that's going to be important to get rid of the I squareds, because as you can see in our answer there shouldn't be any I squares. It wants it in the form A plus BI. Okay, so we have 12 minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26i plus 12 times, and we know that I squared is minus 1, so we're going to sub that in. Okay, 16 minus 24i plus 24i is 0, and then minus 36 multiplied by minus 1, because we know that I squared is equal to minus 1. We're going to keep going and simplifying. 12 minus 26i plus 12 minus 1 is minus 12, all over 16 minus 36 times minus 1 is plus 36. Okay, we're still going to keep going and adding our like terms together. 12 minus 12 is 0, so all we have on top is minus 26i, and that is over 16 plus 36, which is 52. Now, at this point, as you can see, 26 goes into 52 twice, so this fraction here can be simplified to minus a half. Okay, and you still have that I part, and as you can see here, there is no real part, so it wants it in the form A plus BI. So there is no real part, so you can just write here 0 if you want, or you can leave it as minus half I.